Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making an iced frappe. The first step is to pour a quarter cup of refrigerated coffee, then you follow with 3 tablespoons of sugar into the bowl. Once you've done this, you should stir the bowl for around 2 minutes to get a good consistency in the coffee. Then you get a cup of milk of your choice. I did oat milk, and you can put an ice cube or 2 in it. Put the coffee in there, stir it, and that's about it. You're ready to go and have your iced frappe. It's a pretty simple recipe, but quite tasty and easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoy.